Why are global rice prices climbing to a 10th month high? Is erratic weather the biggest threat to rice supplies? And could buyers end up paying more in the coming months? If you are looking for the answers, you are at the right place. Hello everyone, you are watching Commodity Today English. I am Parak Singh. Global rice prices have surged to their highest level in nearly 10th months. As weather-related concerns continue to grip major rice-producing regions across Asia, in India, export prices for 5% broken parboiled rice have climbed to around 356 to 361 US dollars per ton, up from 350 to 357 dollars just a week ago. The increase is being driven by tight paddy supply and growing concerns over the new crop due to uneven monsoon rainfall. But India isn't the only country facing challenges. Across other major rice exporting nations including Thailand, Vietnam and Bangladesh, adverse weather conditions are also impacting crop prospects and keeping traders on edge. Uncertainty over production has encouraged buyers to secure supplies early, adding further pressure on prices. Industry experts say that if rainfall remains inconsistent during the crucial crop growing period, rice production could come under pressure, potentially leading to even higher prices in the global market. For importing countries, this could mean higher food import bills. For exporters like India, stronger prices may improve export earnings, but prolonged weather disruption could also affect production and supply. With India continuing to play a dominant role in the global rice trade market, participants are closely monitoring monsoon progress, crop conditions, and government policies over the coming weeks. So, the question is, will favorable weather help stabilize rice prices, or are we heading towards another period of higher global food cost? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching.